Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be doing a keyboard. Is the Steelseries Apex m800. I would like to actually just thank you guys for all the support, all the subscribing and all the sharing. I really do appreciate it, and do let me know in the comment section below what other products you guys want to see, or you guys can actually just hit me up on Facebook or my Twitter or my Instagram. And just keep coming with all the comments and stuff like that, so I know where do I have to improve and what products you guys actually do want to see. Okay, so without further ado, let's go into this unboxing. Well, this is a customizable mechanical gaming keyboard, and with all the customizable RGB LED lightings on the keyboard. Yeah, so let's move from the left. It says the fastest mechanical keyboard, and the key switches are actually from Steelseries, so I'm not sure how would it be. I hope it's not very noisy, so I can actually focus more on gaming, and especially when you're like sharing room with someone, you don't want to disturb them with the keyboard clicky sound. Okay, so I hope that this can really give me the feel that I really wanted. Alright, and of course it's the unlimited customization, individual key illuminations. Like I told you, the LED lightings, you can actually change how you want it to be. And yeah, so, and it's, as always, it's Windows and Mac. Alright, so now let's move to the side. The side basically has nothing but this the serial number and stuff like that, so we're not going to look at that. We'll move to the back of the box. It should give you more information of the key switches, and then the customization, the RGB lighting thing, so you can actually customize it like I always say. And this they tell you more about the keyboard and stuff like that, so I'm not going to go into that. It's so the sponsored team, and the other side is actually empty. So without further ado, we should actually I'll just unbox this thing right here. Alright, so okay. You put a box out, put it aside, and this is basically what you're gonna get is the plain black cardboards that contain the keyboard itself. So I'm gonna just swing it up right here. Alright, so guys, this is the keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the cardboard, so you guys can actually see more clearer. You know what? Before I do that, I want to show what else is in the box. And put the keyboard aside first. As usual, Steelseries will give you the stickers, yeah, and of course the manual booklet, and extra keycap for alternate and the command button if you want to change them. I think to the standard one. I'm not sure. I don't really change the keycaps. Alright, so yeah, so just gotta put it aside so you guys know what it comes with. Alright, then putting the box. I think that's all in the box. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks like. It has the feel, but doesn't have the very noisy clicky sound. And I like what I like most about this keyboard is the space bar that is so huge that you can't even miss missed it. So when you play games that you require spacebar a lot, or shortcut you set as spacebar a lot, this will be a good one because you won't actually miss it. This is, I mean, it's too big for you to miss, you see. This, I think this is a double, you know, a 2 times of a normal spacebar. Yeah, so this is very unique, and yeah. Alright, so this Steelseries logo here will actually light up, so it's very cool. At least you can see the I mean, you can see the Steelseries logo brighten up, and you know, even in low lighting room you can actually, you know, see it's from Steelseries. So yeah, it's very cool. And let's look underneath the keyboard. Well, underneath the keyboard you can see the model. Yeah, as usual, all the gaming keyboard, you see the models and stuff like that. And yeah, let's move a bit. I'll show you. So this is the stand. It looks very different from what we always see. You know, the one that we always see is like, you know, you push it up and then yeah, just stay there. But this feels very differently. You know, the one on top is softer than the one below. So I believe, yeah, I hope that it actually can stay like on the desk, you know, so it'd be great. Now the special thing about this is that they have the 2 USB port here, 2 USB port right here. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Okay, it's not focusing. Let me try to focus it. Alright, so there's 2 USB here. Why do they have like this kind of this kind of features here? Because this keyboard actually requires 2 USB connection. I believe one is for the LED lights and one is for the keyboard. Yeah, so if you were to like plug this into your computer, you will be using up 2 USB ports. So the keyboard actually, you know, think of how how consumers like us will be using if we are like taking up 2 USB port from our PC, and maybe we can't, you know, we don't have enough USB port to do so. So that's why they come with the you know, for you to use, even though you're in use of this keyboard, you have 2 USB port for you to use other stuff like your mouse or something like that. Yeah, so I guess that's pretty much the end of the unboxing video for this keyboard. And continue to give us your support, and of course check out my Facebook page, and you know, just tell me what products you guys really want to see, and I will really work on it, and give me advice and stuff like that to let me know how can I improve the channel. Alright, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.
Said our hustle's work is never through. We making it